that I just had. His head shaking, so it might be a while. We're running a busted up jig. Because there's snags here and walleyes hasn't. Alright, I'm going. Alright, we're out here on good spot. Came here a while back, but no fish. But I think this time it'll produce. The water flow went down. That's nice. So hopefully they're biting. Oh shoot. Oh yo. Try and catch another one. Dad, I had a clam. Oh shoot. Oh yo. Yo, I had a clam. I had a clam. What the heck? I had a freaking clam. Try and catch another one. Oh shoot. Oh yo. Yo, I had a clam. I had a clam. What the heck? I had a freaking clam. Oh shoot, he's right there. Oh, I got him. Flip him up. Oh. I got one. I got one. Yep, right there. Nope. Yep. Huh? Yep. Take my picture with my big fish. I'm catching all the limits, eating on these thin mints. I just got a big fish right before I said this. You can't even catch. Oh, I got some. What the heck? Holy, that's a nice northern though. What the heck? So we're at the third spot. Just had to change my spoon. So, a little trip. All the fish usually swim up the water down here, but I gotta go through the trees first. Just got whacked in the face by a stick. That really hurt. So it was pretty sucky. Didn't catch anything alive. Caught that big dead northern, which kind of slimy and didn't want to touch it, get my hands all stinky, but I got my hook out. I mean, it happens to good fishermen. They don't catch anything. I guess it was just too cold for them walleyes, I guess. I don't know. But I'll see you guys in my next video. You can't even catch no fish. You can't catch no fish. You can't